guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about is epilating. We shave, wax, very serious topic if it's worth it or not. And you'll find out all of that stuff about it. Basically, it's a bunch of tweezers in this one device which plucks out your hair. You might ask, does it work? Yes, it does. Why wouldn't it? It seriously hurts. You might say, well, shaving's so much better, but guess what? If you epilate like twice, you have to shave in 4 weeks, which, come on, that sounds like awesome to me. Like, let us do this thing. It's like, I tried, I got these really tiny red bumps all over my legs. Second time I have not bumps on my legs, and so far I'm actually really liking it. Thanks for watching.